Hi everyone, this is Liam from Unlimited Airsoft Shop. Today I'm excited to introduce the limited edition DL44, more commonly known as Han Solo's blaster. This is a one-of-a-kind gas pistol from the team at ArmorWorks. The blaster comes in two boxes. The first box contains the pistol itself. The second box contains the scope and amplifier. Now once the pistol is combined with the accessories, that's when you get the iconic look off the movies. The body itself is based off a Mauser C96, also known as the Mauser C96 broom handle. As you can see, it comes with the wooden grip. You get the gold trim on the scope, similar to the movies. The gun itself is capable of semi or fully auto, so there'll be no doubt who shot first. Thanks for watching the video, and remember to give us a follow on Facebook so you can keep up with the latest airsoft guns, gear and news.